Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make Ferrero Rocher Brownies. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your melted butter and cocoa powder and whisk the two together until they are combined. The mixture should be a smooth and glossy consistency, and if it isn't, just keep whisking until you achieve that. It should look a little something like this. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in the sugar and just whisk this in until fully incorporated. You will notice that the mixture becomes a little more granular. Don't worry, this is completely normal, but it will alleviate as we work our way through the recipe. Once the sugar has been fully incorporated, you can then add in all of your eggs, vanilla and hazelnut syrup and just whisk until everything is combined. This will get rid of that granular feeling and it will make everything much smoother and glossier. Then you can go ahead and add in the plain flour, the chocolate chips and the chopped hazelnuts and just fold these in until everything is fully combined. You are best to do this by hand, as otherwise you may overwork the mixture if you use a mixer, but doing it by hand you'll know just when it's fully combined and you won't over mix it, then you won't have a tough textured brownie, so you won't be able to ruin them. Now take your 9-inch square cake tin or brownie pan and line it with some parchment, and then start to place in all of the brownie batter. Feel free to pour it all directly in there. I just added mine in bits. Then spread it out and level it out as best as you possibly can. This will just help with consistent baking, and if you don't have it consistently you'll have bits that are more baked and less baked, and that's not ideal in a brownie. Then take dollops of Nutella or chocolate hazelnut spread and just place them on top. Don't be stingy, be generous with the amount of Nutella that you're using. Then just take a knife and swirl it all the way around until it's all swirled and you've got kind of a prettier pattern. You can then go ahead and scatter over some roughly chopped hazelnuts. These can go on before, as they don't really burn if you don't leave them in the oven too long. Then after about 15 to 20 minutes you'll want to remove the brownies and place on the Ferrero Rocher. And I place around 9 onto mine, but feel free to use more or less, whichever suits you. Then place it back in the oven for a further 10 to 15, just until a tester comes out almost clean. Then place in the fridge once they fully cool down. This will make them much easier to slice and it'll add a firmness and so much more flavour. Then you can cut them up however you like, but for this recipe I went with 9 portions, so you get 9. These brownies are super rich and decadent, so a smaller portion may be better suited. As you can tell, they're very rich, very dense, full of chocolate and hazelnut, so if you like that kind of thing, these are the brownies for you. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to the blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.